All right, here it is, first day after my first ride. I've got a lot of the parts on it protection parts, but this is the aftermath of the first ride. Not too muddy. Went up to NATRA, went riding up there, rode the Suzuki Swamp as well as the race course. But here is the aftermath. I'm going to show you the video here in just a second of the ride we took, but wanted to show you that yes, I did get it dirty. Let's see, there we go. Yes, I did get it dirty, and here it is. So shiny. I ran. It's fast as shit. Faster than my 250 one off acceleration. Accelerates much faster, but that's to be expected.
So Wes, you go third in front of John, and I'll go last.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Certainly faster. It wants to scoot out a little more. It hits harder than my 250. That's for certain, but that's to be expected with a ah, shit. Here, going at third.
How is it? It's so clean.
It's certainly pipier than my X. That's a 4-stroke. I mean, yeah, so far I just have to figure out the gear. I think I might have to cut the handlebars down. It seems wide.
Everyone's doing it. Yeah, I told people I didn't think it was a good idea, and then I figured out mine were cut down, and then I told people that they should be doing it.
Well, you know, I don't think mine are. I think this is just a little wider, or the way it sits.
It does look a little wide.
It does. So it just feels like I'm way out here compared to my 250X. Yeah. So I just need to measure it and make sure they're about the same, and I think I need to roll the bars forward a little bit.
Yeah. Good deal. Otherwise, everyone good?
Yeah. Yeah. It just, it wants to wash out spin out the rear wheel when not like my X would. So, but then again, 4-stroke, 2-stroke, so. It's gonna take some getting used to, that's for sure. Riding a 4-stroke all these years. I did change the springs for my weight, so I have softer springs in the front. And like a heavier spring in the back. There it is. Stock. Alright, it is a little more, it's more nimble for sure. Like that. Believe it or not, the clutch pull is about the same as my 250X. The CRF250X is known for having a light clutch pull for a cable. This is a hydraulic, has the braking with a 9mm with a 9mm master switcher.
little easier to stop than my 250X function, I'm sure. Of lighter bike. Is a That's the hill. Nice! Way to go! That was awesome.
Are you the same dude? Are you sure?
You've gotten better.
I'd hope so.
Damn.
Is that the very hard hill you were talking about all week?
Man, Alan.
Like, oh my God, I don't know if we can do this because. Shoot, good thing I didn't.
That is a hell of a hill if you're not prepared for it, though.
I was prepared, so that's what I want.
That was awesome, guys.
I didn't do it as graceful as possible. But John, you did good.
Yeah, I just went up on the back wheel.
Man, that's a tight turn. You alright? Man, that thing chugs like a tractor. Oh yeah, did you? I didn't hardly rev it. I'm trying to figure out the limit so I know where the bike is. You all right, John? Sorry, I missed that on video. I was facing the other way.
You want a hand? Sure? It's kind of a tricky spot, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty shooty. But John, is there room to go by you or no? Huh? Is there room to go by?
Yeah.
Sure.
Left of me.
I got stuck on that turn.
Yeah, that turn sucks ass.
He should have kept going. I don't know what that noise was.
I got all this third gear.
Wow.
Silly.
You didn't break up any livers, did you?
Huh?
Okay,
I heard a
that's the same
pop.
sound
That
while
was
your
a
liver
piston
made.
coming out.
Yeah, I was like, what was that?
I did too. It was either a rock or...
It was that stick that my tire went on top of. And
Oh, you got a metal case, don't, or a chest or case protector, right? That could be it. All right, John, give her hell. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Hey, John. Tell him it might be better to go down and get momentum. Oh! I think he got traction. I got it. Oh. What the hell? That was weird.
we are good. Copy. Just give us a couple minutes. John's getting a breather.
Hold on. I haven't got the mics out yet or nothing. I'm about to be doing even better.